Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, sa ating mga kapatid sa gobyerno, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga kaguro, nawa ay nasa maayos kayong kalagayan saan man kayo naroroon, at saan man kayo naaabot ng ating video. For today's video, sana ay maaprubahan itong bill na ipinasa ni Senator Raffy Tulfo, nitong May 15, ang Senate Bill No. 2673. An act providing an increase and an automatic adjustment mechanism in the Personal Economic Relief Allowance or PERA granted to government employees. Explanatory note: the Personal Economic Relief Allowance or PERA is a financial benefit provided to government employees in the Philippines to help them cope with the rising cost of living. It is a monthly allowance aimed at supplementing the basic salary of public sector workers to offset inflationary pressures and ensure they can meet their daily needs. The Personal Economic Relief Allowance, PERA, will be a crucial financial